Welcome to Educon. This is Imam with you. We have finished the chapter Animal Kingdom. Now, in this video, we'll start looking at the questions, the previous NEET question paper. So exactly the questions are coming from this particular chapter, that is Animal Kingdom, chapter 4. So coming to the question number 1, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion. What is assertion? First, we'll find what is the meaning of assertion. Confident statement of fact or belief. So, if any statement is correct, that is a fact. That is labeled as an assertion. The other is a reason. Okay. So, assertion A here, what it represents? All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. And reason is notochord is replaced by vertebral column in the adult vertebrates. Now you carefully observe these two sentences. It is exactly in the NCERT biology book. You can see on the picture from on page number everything. So assertion, all vertebrates are chordates. But all chordates are not vertebrates. This is true. At the same time, notochord is replaced by vertebral column in the adult vertebrates. Okay, so these two, A is correct, R is also correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Say here we have four options. A is not correct, but R is correct. No, both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is correct, but R is not correct. So here A and R both are correct, but R is giving the correct explanation of A. Okay, so number 2 is the right option. Coming to second question, in which of the following animals the digestive tract has additional chambers like frog and gizzard? Okay, so here we have four options. In first option we have pavo, Cetacula, corvus. All are scientific names. There is no any common names here. Number 2, corvus, columba, chameleon, bufo, balenoptera, bangaras, and cutla, columba, crocodile. So here pavo, Cetacula, corvus, these are all ave species, that is bird species. Where we are seeing this crop and gizzard? In birds. But we need to know the examples here. So all those examples which are mentioned in NCERT book, we need to thorough with that. So we need to remember each and every example of that particular class. Here in that option 2 we have corvus, that is belong to birds. Columba belongs to bird, but chameleon it is reptilian again. So here mixing. So one option he mixed with the birds, the reptile along with the aves. So this option will not be right. Again bufo, that is toad, and balenoptera, it is a mammal, and bangaras, that is another species. So here they mixed up. So it is not present, it is only present in birds. First option is correct, that is pavo, Cetacula, corvus. Number 3, air bladder is found in Osteichthyes, aves, Cyclostomata, Chondrichthyes. Now you see where exactly we studied about the air bladder. Air bladder is present in certain fishes, okay, which helps them to float, and these are absent in Chondrichthyes that we have studied. Chondrichthyes animals, they need to swim continuously for keeping them afloat, okay, otherwise they will sink. So we have four options here: Osteichthyes, aves, Cyclostomata, Chondrichthyes. So there is two near comparable options have given, like Osteichthyes and Chondrichthyes. The right option is Osteichthyes. You can see where exactly it is mentioned in the NCERT book in the video. So right option is 1. Coming to fourth question, here given below are the two statements. Amphibians and reptiles have 3-chambered heart with 2 atria and a single ventricle and are oviparous in nature. Okay, this is a This is one statement. Amphibians, reptiles, we have studied in NCERT book biology that their heart is 3-chambered with 2 auricle and 1 ventricle. Fine, and they are oviparous in nature, right? Then again, coming to second statement here, crocodiles possess a 4-chambered heart with 2 ventricles and 2 arteria and are viviparous in nature. Here some confusion in the second statement. As far as the second statement is concerned, crocodile possesses a 4-chambered heart with 2 ventricles and 2 arteria. Up to this section it is right, but the last words and are viviparous in nature are completely false. Okay, because they are oviparous in nature. And now we'll see the options here. Select the most appropriate option. 1 is correct, but 2 is incorrect. Okay, number 2, 1 is incorrect, but 2 is correct. Number 3, both 1 and 2 are correct. Number 4, both 1 and 2 are incorrect. So here, right option is the first one. First option is right, and the second option is not correct. Okay, which one of the following features are not true for chordates? Understand the question properly. Which one of the following features? So there are certain features here, A, B, C, D, E. Among these, what is not true for the chordates? Means there is some features are not there in chordates. Okay, now what are the options given here? A, heart is dorsal. B, pharynx is perforated by gill slits. C, central nervous system is ventral, solid and single. Post-anal tail is present. Notochord is present. So here, some are true for the chordates. Okay, some are not true for the chordates. In chordates, heart is ventral. First option is wrong. Okay, in chordates, heart is ventral. Again, pharynx has perforated gill slits. This is direct. It came from a table directly from the NCERT book that you can see on the video itself. Central nervous system is ventral, solid and single. This is also wrong. This one is wrong here. Central nervous system in chordates is a dorsal, hollow and single, not solid, hollow and single. D, post-anal tail is present. Post-anal tail is present in chordates. Notochord is present. Yes, that is also present. So what is not true here? A and C. A and C, where it is? Fourth option. Let's see. Coming to another question. Read the following statements. We have up to A to E. So first statement is metagenesis is observed in helminthes. Okay, helminths. Echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate animals. C, roundworms have organ system level of body organization. Then D, comb plates present in ctenophores help in digestion. Number E, water vascular system is characteristic of echinoderms. Now, is the complete question is choose the correct answer from the above options given below. So we need to choose correct answers from the above 5 options. There are around 3 options are right in that. So what are the 2 wrong statements we need to find out? Metagenesis is observed in helminths. Okay. Then echinoderms. You might have studied about echinoderms. They are triploblastic and coelomate animal. Yes, B is right. Okay. Now coming to 2. That is roundworms have organ system level of body organization. So you can see in the NCERT book itself, we have this, straight line. Roundworms have organ system level of body organization. So C is also right. Fine. B and C. So you can check here already. It is okay. For first 2 options are only one we need to select. Again, comb plates present in ctenophores help in digestion. No, this is wrong. Actually, comb plates, what it will do? They will help in locomotion. Okay, comb plates help for locomotion, so not digestion. So that is a wrong statement here. Then water vascular system is characteristic of echinoderms. Yes, that is true. So choose the correct answer from the options below. Now B is the right option, C is the right option, and E is also right option. B, C, E. So we will go for 2. Okay. Coming to another question. Which of the following statements are true for phylum Chordata? Now it is classified into 3 groups, that is Urochordata, Cephalochordata and vertebrate. Now we need to have each and for example, for Urochordata we need to know about that, and same like Cephalochordata, all this should come to our mind immediately. So coming to the option, we have here 3 options here, 4 options, that is A, B, C, D. In Urochordata, notochord extends from head to tail and is present throughout their life. Yes, this statement is wrong statement here. It is present only during early stages itself. Okay. In Vertebrata, notochord is present during the embryonic period only, then the different. So this is right. You can see in the NCERT book on the video itself. So I am giving you the slide and also a reference from where exactly these questions, how exactly they have been extracted from the NCERT biology book. Again, central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. This is right. Okay, B, C is right. And then chordata is divided into 3 subphyla. Okay, hemichordata, tunicata, cephalochordata. It's wrong. So what is the right option here? B and C. Let's see where is B and C. Number 3. Okay. Now let's go for another question. Okay. Coming to next question. Match the following column and select the correct options. We have around column 1 and column 2. Both they have 4 options. In column 1, we have first option is 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits, and then heterocircle caudal fin, air bladder, poison sting. Now 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits, where it is present? It is present in cyclostome. Okay, and heterocircle caudal fin is in chondriichthyes. Air bladder is present in the animals belonging to the class Osteichthyes, and then poison sting, it is trigon. So the option here is how many classes they merge. Now you look at the question, around 4 different classes, three different classes they merge together to derive this question. So that is why we need to remember the examples and what are the main important characteristics, and also what are the similarities between the different classes here. Then only we will be able to answer such questions. Now here A, that is 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits are present in chondriichthyes. No, sorry, cyclostome. So A is 2. Okay. Now see here where it is 2. Okay, here 4 it is 2. Then heterocircle caudal fin is chondriichthyes. Okay, 3 it is there. Then air bladder, it is present in the fish belonging to the class Osteichthyes. Okay, we have 4 here. Then poison sting, that is trigon. That is 1. So option is 4. Coming to next question. Which of the following options does correctly represent the characteristic feature of phylum Annelida? So see here in single sentence. So directly the answer is from the textbook itself. So if you remember main important character features of in each phylum, then you could be able to answer this question in simple way. So here we have 4 options here. First option is triploblastic, unsegmented body and bilateral symmetrical. Second option is triploblastic, a segmented body and bilateral symmetrical. And third option is triploblastic, flattened body and acoelomate condition. Whereas the fourth, diploblastic, mostly marine and radial symmetrical. You can see what is the answer here. They are segmented first. Okay, again they are triploblastic segmented body, and they have bilateral symmetrical. Fine. The option here, right option is number 2. Okay.